How to find theme settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click hub and then the storylines here, and after that click settings, then just click appearance, and here we'll find theme, and now you can manage here anything you want. Just select any theme and then go back, and that's it. It will be saved as you see, and you can change the light mode to dark mode. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.